Hello. So today we are gonna unbox the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Bytez figure. Here's also the largest, deadliest, venomous art jet around. Anyway, so let's just open this. Before you do anything, you may want to leave room for this because I like to collect these back things, can they say, to clip and collect. There, clip and collect. We'll still open this. Cube legs. So anyways, when you open this, you may find that this whole thing just turns open and out pops spider bites. Feed it to him. So just black with this teeth and this bread. Not that big, but thus you have to attach this little antenna thing. So this one's already out. So we'll just put these in there on a ball joint. First one's in. Turn it around. There we go. Better bites. And this guy feels pretty small for some bigger. I think older. And it's okay, we're coming back. Here. These things are hot. The turtle figures have too much accessories. There we go. Second one in. Third one. And it doesn't really matter what order you put these guys in. Third one's in. Okay, no, none off. Put them up. So, rawr. So it's a rampage. And the fourth one, you can place. Feels. Excuse me. There we go. Spider bite with his 4 claws. So it's just basically red. I mean, black, sorry. Bluish, greenish, turquoise. So you can. Okay, it's pretty small. And you can move his arms. And you can move his legs. Okay, small and fat. And despite something there, and I guess you could call him fun. Stand up. Here This is full stance. It looks okay. He looks so. There we go. It's closed. Okay, fine. I'll read the back. It says, after a barrel of ooze is poured over Vic, he mutates in a spider bites. A giant spider a giant spider with the ability to spit deadly fireballs of acid with his massive spider legs. He chases down the turtles, giving them a run for their lives. The turtles better be on the lookout, watching if spider bites is hang from any spider webs nearby. And his weapon is acid, spit, and long spider legs, spider web. And he's on the crank team. Of course, it shows the basic. So this is Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Spider Bites unboxing. Thanks for watching. Oh yeah, and be sure to rate, subscribe, like, favorite, playlists, share. Yes, so bye.